Okay, this drone actually looks unreal. And the crazy thing is, I haven't even flown it yet. You guys know I'm obsessed with cinematic landscape shots and immersive travel visuals, and I genuinely think DJI might have made something different here. One of the things I've always loved about drone footage is how it changes the feeling of a location. Not just seeing a place, but moving through it. And lately, cinematic travel content had started feeling more immersive than ever. This new DJI Avata 360 honestly feels like the next step of that. The weird thing with this drone is it doesn't feel like it's just filming one angle anymore. It almost looks like it's capturing the entire environment first, then deciding the shot later. And because it's shooting in 360, with that 8K footage, you can completely reframe things afterwards without instantly losing quality. This will completely change how travel videos are filmed. What I like is that it feels immersive without looking overproduced. I can already imagine using something like this around the coastlines here in the far north. Especially during sunrise or foggy mornings. Imagine flying this through forest roads, camping setups, or coastal cliffs with proper cinematic sound design behind it. That's the part that genuinely excites me. Normally with drones, I am constantly thinking, did I frame that right? Should I fly that again? But watching this footage, what really stands out is the flexibility. It feels like one flight could give you multiple creative options afterward. Looks like you can go from a normal cinematic aerial shot to the surreal tiny planet perspectives to the smooth immersive movements, all from the same clip. And honestly, that's kind of ridiculous. One thing that stands out to me while watching this video is that it feels a lot less intimidating than traditional FPV flying. The built-in propeller guards and obstacle sensing make it look like something that could open up more creative possibilities for people who care about storytelling, not just high-speed flying. But from what DJI is showing here, it looks like they focus on making those immersive shots much more accessible. I think a lot of drones focus too heavily on specs, but honestly, the creative feeling matters more to me. I can't wait to get my hands on one and see what it's capable of here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Well, if this is as good as it looks, my next video is going to be insane. Stay tuned.